Mackenzie from Build.com TV. Today I'm going to show you how to install a pendant light. Today we're going to be replacing this old dome light with a more decorative pendant light. Pendant lights are typically used to provide style in a room while still providing a sufficient amount of light. They can be used in groups of 2 or 3 or as a single like we're doing today. Now the only tools you're going to need is a screwdriver and a pair of wire cutters. Remember, with any electrical project, make sure the power is off before you begin. Okay, for step 1, we're going to remove the old lighting fixture. Disconnect the wires. We've got the old light out, now it's time to put in the pendant light. Attach the bracket to the electrical box. Now you'll feed the wire through the bracket. So now that we've determined where we want it to hang, we're going to cut the excess wire. Make sure to strip the wires. Connect the electrical wires, green to green or copper, black to black, and white to white. And lastly, hide the wires and attach the canopy. So that's it. That's our project. Pretty simple. And remember, if you're having trouble, be sure to contact a licensed electrician.